You cannot directly exchange crypto from the Trust Wallet to your bank account. What you have to do is to first withdraw to a cryptocurrency exchange that supports bank transfers, anything between Coinbase, Kraken or Crypto.com, sell your crypto for money there, and finally withdraw to your bank. Withdrawing from Trust Wallet is very simple. The process is the same as with any other crypto wallet. From the home page of the wallet, you can click on Send and choose the coin you want to withdraw, or click on the coin and withdraw from here. If I want to sell my crypto on an exchange, I'll use my exchange wallet address. If I want to withdraw to my hardware wallet, I'll take my address from there. So I'll click on the send button, paste in the address that I want to withdraw to and the amount I wish to send. Unlike withdrawing from a crypto exchange, in Trust Wallet I can adjust how much I want to pay for the network fee. But pay attention, the lower I'm willing to pay for the network fee, the longer I have to wait for the transaction to be complete. The faster I want my transaction to be confirmed, the more I will have to pay for the network fee. If you don't care about the network fee, just continue by tapping send. Otherwise, on mempool.space, you can see the current network fees paid by the network. If you want high priority, anything above 96 sats per virtual byte should confirm your transaction in the next 10 minutes. A medium priority fee should be confirmed within 20 minutes. But if you don't care if your transaction gets confirmed in the next hours or days, anything between 2 and 20 sats per virtual byte will do. You can change the network fee by clicking on the cogwheel icon at the top of your Trust Wallet screen. Change to your desired value and tap on save. Now you will see your updated network fee. But remember, the lower the fee, the longer it will take for the transaction to be confirmed. Let's say you want to cash out and you chose Coinbase to do so. You'll be able to withdraw the funds to your own bank account following these simple steps. From the main screen of the Coinbase app, click on the middle button at the bottom of your screen. Select sell and pick the cryptocurrency you want to sell for your local currency. Enter the amount you want to sell, then preview sell. Finally, tap on sell now. The funds should be ready on your fiat wallet, so let's go and withdraw them to your bank account. Under portfolio, find your local currency. In my case, it's euro, so I'll click on that. I click on withdraw and enter the amount I want to withdraw. After I select preview withdraw, I can see my destination options. After you add a card or a bank account, you'll be able to select it, and the last step is to click on withdraw now. Nice and easy.